Good afternoon, this is Chris Brecher with the free video for simpler trading / chart patterns mastery. What are we doing? Number one, I've been showing a lot of paper trading with the broad market starting yesterday. So as you're going to see, I've put in a tremendous amount of ES orders. Look at the pluses and minuses. Look at that. Or let's put it this way, the blue arrow and the red arrow. So at the end of the day, I did like 60 trades over a day and a half, up 22,000 on a $100,000 account. That's the kind of stuff we do. It's just a little crazy on how often, but I'm showing the direction right for everybody anyway. So what are we talking about? Well, I do a thing called Sunday night charts, where I do the dashboard for the premium room, the chart patterns mastery room, and I post a lot of charts on Sunday night. So some of the charts I posted were stocks that were too far from their 9 EMA. This arrow was actually posted Sunday night. As you see, the stock's only gone down 10 points. Actually, 11 points. We shorted 11 points higher. We took our 4 points. I didn't get back in it today. JP Morgan, also on the Sunday night charts. Look at that. Right to the 9, almost to the 20. Which brings me to the next thing. You got JP Morgan doing it. You got Carvana, which a number you did well in, really well in that today. So you got the Carvana, you got the JP Morgan, you got the American Express. You have Nvidia went too far. Netflix went too far over it. And then it came down to test the 20. The blue is a 20. The red is a 20. The blue is a 9. It tested the 9. Spotify. Too far over the 9. Blue threw it to the 20. Netflix did the same thing. Microsoft is not there yet. Now, why is Nvidia holding up? And I'll show you why. JP Morgan, American Express, they're in their buyback blackout. Like I said, if they start going down, they're not propping up the stock. It doesn't mean it has to go down during buyback blackout. It means bad news like JP Morgan downgraded today is more likely to whack all of the stock. Also, if it's too far from the 9. On the other hand, Nvidia's got a late one, August 27th. That means that in here, 35 days, you're only to here. So they're still buying back stock. That's why that staying so levitated over the 9. That's not what I'm looking to mess around with at the moment. I want to look for the stocks that roll over. Right when I said that, my dog MOXY just rolled over. It's pretty funny. But I'm telling you, I'm not good enough to short the first break and just short on the way up. That's not how I trade. I take the bear flag. Yeah, that's what I do. So I didn't short here. I'm not that good. That's where you short. That's where I posted it. So that's how we're going to play tomorrow. We're going to look for extended stocks. And don't get me wrong, there are a lot of stocks I like because we're still in a big old bull run. So what do I mean by that? Even if I think short term, we have a possible bear flag. Yeah, look at all those orders. But I wanted to show you this. Go into this and look at this. And I'll show you, I can show it with Thinkorswim, with TradingView, either. So I'm going to take off all this stuff. Buy and sell buttons and executions. You're going to look at the 9, which is the blue line, and the 20. Do you see it rolling over like this? No. Did it roll to the upside here? It sure did. Did it roll to the downside here? In fact, you could take off everything and actually just use the ATR Trailing Stop. There you go. That works too. You don't have them rolling over yet. In here, it was just choppy. So why does that matter? Because if you screwed around and shorted here, you got stopped here, you broke even. Shorted here, you got stopped here, you broke even. Shorted here, you made 1,000 points. You buy here, you make 1,000 points this way. I'm telling you, this ATR Trailing Stop is a powerful thing. Whether it's on a 1 minute, a 2 minute, a 5 minute, and beware of imitators. I've been using this for 30 years. It still works. Just use the one that's on Thinkorswim. Use the one that's on TradingView. It works. So that doesn't mean you have to blindly short if it crosses. But I'm telling you, when you play a Carvana, what do you notice? What do you notice on a 2-minute? Yeah, the cross and then the consolidation. So we'll keep playing these tomorrow. On the other hand, there are stocks like IONQ, which is a great looking stock, but guess what? Yeah, broken record for you. Too far from the 9. It just has to consolidate. Almost every time on the bull run up, it came down to test the 9. Look at that. The trend was still up, don't get me wrong, but it had to test the 9. It got too far from it now. Now, it looks like that's not a lot. That's 3 points. Let it go back to there and we'll buy it. So take care. Have a great night. Talk to you later. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.